Hi ladies and gentlemen. I was asked, how do you make a backup of your Act data? In one video I showed you how you can request a backup of your Act SaaS data by submitting a form and sending it to Act's customer service or technical support requesting a backup of all your Act data. Now that data has to be opened with Act software. That's the type of backup file it is. But on occasion, you might want to just send all your information out to Excel. And I want to be very clear on this. When you export your information to Excel, when you do that, you do not get your underlying notes and histories and past schedule, any of the underlying data. You get basically just your field data. And the field data is all the fields you have in Act. So user 1, user 2, user 3, any fields that you've customized or added to Act and your layout. The way you do that is this. You look up all your contacts by going look up all contacts. For the purpose of this illustration, I'm just using my contact info. When you do that, you should see the list view of all your contacts. Here it's just me, but in your case, when you do a lookup of all contacts, you'll see 10 or hundreds or thousands, however many contacts you have. Now in this particular case, I only have a few fields here that I see, and these are all the headings of those fields. What you would most likely want to do is, if you want to export all your field data, go up here where the little columns are and click on that, and when this box pops up, you have the ability to take all of these fields that are not showing up here but are in Act. You can take all these fields, and if you click on the double arrows, it will take all these fields, whether there's 20 or 1,000, it will take all of them and put them over on this side. Once you do that, they will all appear up here. Now, they might be so many you have to scroll over, but once you've done that and you've added all your fields, simply go up and click on XLS to export it to Excel. And it will send it out to Microsoft Excel. You'll see Excel open, and you'll see it blinking down in the bottom of your screen. And I'm going to do that right now. There might just be a little bit of a delay. I'm going to click Open, and it's going to open up Microsoft Excel. And I have two screens, so it's doing it on the other screen. And that's what it looks like. That's all your data in Excel. Now again, keep in mind that the way I did this, the only thing I did right now is just see these top headings because I didn't add all the fields. So that way, I have at least the field data, not the underlying data, but sometimes people say, that's fine, I can live with that. You can do that as often as you want. So that's how you back it up to Excel. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.